Welcome to our exploration of ethical considerations in bioprinting. As technology rapidly advances, bioprinting has emerged as a revolutionary field, offering the potential to create living tissues and organs using 3D printing techniques. This innovation brings hope to millions awaiting transplants and promises to transform healthcare. However, with such groundbreaking progress come important ethical questions. In this video, we'll guide you through the key ethical issues surrounding bioprinting, helping you understand what's at stake and why these discussions matter. Let's begin by understanding what bioprinting is and why it's so significant. Bioprinting is a process that uses 3D printing technology to create structures made of living cells. These structures can range from simple tissues to complex organs. Scientists use specialized printers to layer cells, creating functional biological materials. The ultimate goal is to produce organs that can be transplanted into patients, reducing the need for donor organs and saving lives. While the science is still developing, bioprinting holds immense promise for the future of medicine. But as with any powerful technology, it raises important ethical questions that must be addressed. The promise of bioprinting is truly remarkable. Imagine a world where organ shortages are a thing of the past, and patients no longer have to wait years for a transplant. Bioprinting could also enable personalized medicine, where tissues and organs are custom-made for each individual, reducing the risk of rejection. Additionally, it opens new doors for drug testing and disease modeling, allowing researchers to study human biology in ways never before possible. However, with these exciting possibilities come new responsibilities and ethical dilemmas. Before diving into specific issues, it's important to understand the ethical foundations that guide bioprinting. Principles like respect for human dignity, beneficence, non-maleficence, and justice are central to medical ethics. These principles help us weigh the benefits and risks of new technologies, ensuring that advancements serve the greater good without causing harm. In bioprinting, these ethical foundations are tested in new and complex ways, requiring careful consideration and ongoing dialogue. One of the first ethical concerns in bioprinting is obtaining proper consent from donors of cells and tissues. Autonomy means respecting individuals' rights to make informed decisions about their bodies. In bioprinting, this involves clear communication about how donated cells will be used, stored, and potentially commercialized. Ensuring that donors fully understand the implications of their contributions is essential for maintaining trust and upholding ethical standards. Another complex issue is the ownership of biological materials used in bioprinting. Who owns the cells once they are donated? Can companies patent bioprinted organs or tissues? These questions have significant legal and ethical implications. Some argue that individuals should retain rights over their biological materials, while others believe that innovation requires some level of commercial ownership. Balancing these interests is a major challenge for policymakers and ethicists alike. Bioprinting has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, but it also raises concerns about access and equity. Will these advanced treatments be available to everyone, or only to those who can afford them? Ensuring fair distribution of bioprinted organs and tissues is critical to preventing new forms of inequality in healthcare. Policymakers and healthcare providers must work together to create systems that promote equitable access for all patients, regardless of their socioeconomic status. Safety is a top priority in any medical innovation, and bioprinting is no exception. Before bioprinted tissues and organs can be used in patients, they must undergo rigorous testing to ensure they are safe and effective. This includes assessing the risk of rejection, infection, and long-term complications. Ethical considerations demand that we prioritize patient safety and avoid rushing new technologies to market before they are proven to be reliable. Animal testing is often used in the development of bioprinted tissues and organs. While this can provide valuable data on safety and effectiveness, it also raises ethical concerns about animal welfare. Researchers must balance the potential benefits to humans with the responsibility to minimize harm to animals. Ethical guidelines call for the use of alternatives whenever possible, and for ensuring that animal testing is conducted humanely, and only when absolutely necessary. Bioprinting doesn't just offer the possibility of restoring lost function, it could also be used for human enhancement. This raises questions about where to draw the line between therapy and enhancement. Should we allow bioprinting to create organs or tissues that are better than natural ones? The debate touches on fairness, societal values, and the potential for unintended consequences. These are important discussions that need input from a wide range of voices. Different religious and cultural groups may have unique perspectives on bioprinting. Some may view the creation of artificial organs as interfering with nature or divine will, while others may see it as a way to alleviate suffering. Understanding and respecting these diverse viewpoints is essential for ethical decision-making. Open dialogue with communities can help ensure that bioprinting practices are sensitive to cultural and religious values. Bioprinting often involves collecting and storing sensitive biological data. Protecting the privacy and security of this information is a major ethical concern. Unauthorized access or misuse of genetic data could have serious consequences for individuals. Robust safeguards must be in place to ensure that personal data is handled responsibly and kept confidential at all times. Commercialization of bioprinting raises questions about profit motives and the potential for exploitation. Should companies be allowed to profit from bioprinted organs? How can we prevent the commodification of human body parts? Ethical frameworks must address these concerns, ensuring that commercial interests do not override patient welfare or public good. Effective regulation is essential for ensuring the ethical development and use of bioprinting technologies. Governments and international bodies must establish clear guidelines and standards to protect patients and promote responsible innovation. Ongoing oversight helps to identify and address emerging ethical issues as the technology evolves. Transparency is a cornerstone of ethical research. Scientists and companies involved in bioprinting must be open about their methods, results, and potential conflicts of interest. This openness builds public trust and allows for informed debate about the risks and benefits of new technologies. Long-term effects of bioprinted tissues and organs are still largely unknown. Ethical practice requires ongoing monitoring and research to identify any unforeseen complications. Patients must be informed about the uncertainties and potential risks associated with these new treatments so they can make truly informed choices. Bioprinting technology is not equally available around the world. Wealthier countries may benefit first, while low-income regions could be left behind. Addressing global disparities is an important ethical challenge, requiring international cooperation and efforts to make bioprinting accessible to all. Engaging the public in discussions about bioprinting is essential for ethical progress. Public input can help shape policies, identify concerns, and ensure that technological advances reflect societal values. Open forums, education, and transparent communication are key to building a shared understanding of the ethical landscape. As bioprinting becomes more widespread, education and training for healthcare professionals are crucial. Ethical considerations should be integrated into medical curricula, ensuring that practitioners are prepared to navigate the complex issues that arise. Ongoing professional development will help maintain high ethical standards as the field evolves. Special attention must be given to vulnerable populations such as children, the elderly, and those with limited access to healthcare. Ethical frameworks should ensure that these groups are protected from exploitation and have equal opportunities to benefit from bioprinting advances. The environmental impact of bioprinting is another ethical consideration. The production and disposal of bioprinted materials may have ecological consequences. Responsible innovation means minimizing waste, using sustainable materials, and considering the broader environmental effects of new technologies. Bioprinting technology could be used for both beneficial and harmful purposes. Dual-use concerns include the potential for misuse in creating biological weapons or unethical experiments. Ethical oversight and strong regulations are needed to prevent abuse and ensure that bioprinting serves only positive ends. Intellectual property rights in bioprinting are a contentious issue. Patents can encourage innovation but may also restrict access to life-saving technologies. Striking the right balance between rewarding inventors and ensuring public benefit is a key ethical challenge in this field. Managing patient expectations is crucial in bioprinting. The technology is still evolving and not all promises can be fulfilled immediately. Clear communication about what is possible, what is experimental, and what risks exist helps patients make informed decisions and prevents disappointment or misunderstanding. Informed consent is not just for donors, but also for research participants. Individuals involved in clinical trials for bioprinted tissues must be fully aware of the risks, benefits, and uncertainties. Ethical research requires transparency and respect for participants' autonomy at every stage. How bioprinting is portrayed in the media can shape public perceptions and ethical debates. Sensationalized or inaccurate reporting may create unrealistic expectations or fears. Responsible journalism and accurate information are essential for fostering informed public discussion and ethical decision-making. Given the global nature of bioprinting research and development, international guidelines are needed to harmonize ethical standards. Collaboration between countries can help ensure that bioprinting is developed and used responsibly, with shared values and protections for all. Ethical decisions made today will impact future generations. Bioprinting could change the course of medicine and society for decades to come. It's important to consider the long-term consequences of our choices and strive to leave a positive legacy for those who come after us. Ethical review boards play a crucial role in overseeing bioprinting research. These committees evaluate proposed studies to ensure they meet ethical standards and protect participants. Their work helps maintain public trust and upholds the integrity of scientific research. Transparency in funding sources is another ethical consideration. Knowing who funds bioprinting research can reveal potential conflicts of interest and help ensure that research priorities align with public good rather than private profit. Open access to bioprinting research promotes transparency and accelerates progress. Sharing data and findings allows scientists worldwide to build on each other's work, fostering innovation and ethical collaboration. Barriers to access can slow development and limit the benefits of new discoveries. Ethical care doesn't end with transplantation. Ongoing follow-up with patients who receive bioprinted tissues or organs is essential for monitoring outcomes and addressing any complications. This commitment to long-term care reflects respect for patient welfare and the evolving nature of bioprinting technology. Social justice is a guiding principle in the ethical evaluation of bioprinting. Ensuring that advances benefit all members of society, not just the privileged few, is a moral imperative. Policies and practices should be designed to promote fairness and reduce disparities. Bioprinting could have far-reaching implications for public health. It may change how diseases are treated, how organs are allocated, and how healthcare resources are distributed. Ethical analysis must consider these broader impacts to ensure that bioprinting supports the overall health of communities. Balancing innovation with caution is a recurring ethical theme in bioprinting. While rapid progress is exciting, moving too quickly can lead to mistakes or unforeseen harms. Ethical leadership requires careful evaluation of risks and benefits with a commitment to patient safety and public trust. Community involvement is vital for ethical bioprinting. Engaging patients, families, and advocacy groups in decision-making helps ensure that diverse perspectives are considered. This collaborative approach strengthens ethical standards and fosters trust between scientists and the public. Reporting both successes and failures in bioprinting is essential for ethical progress. Transparency in outcomes allows the scientific community to learn from mistakes and improve future practices. Hiding negative results can lead to repeated errors and undermine public confidence. Ethical innovation means developing new technologies with a strong moral compass. In bioprinting, this involves anticipating potential harms, engaging stakeholders, and prioritizing the well-being of patients and society. Responsible innovation is the key to sustainable progress. Ethics committees provide guidance and oversight for bioprinting projects. These groups bring together experts from diverse fields to evaluate ethical dilemmas and recommend best practices. Their input helps ensure that bioprinting advances in a way that respects human rights and societal values. Ethical review is not a one-time event. As bioprinting technology evolves, ongoing assessment is necessary to address new challenges and adapt to changing circumstances. Continuous ethical review ensures that practices remain aligned with societal values and scientific advancements. Patient advocacy groups play a vital role in shaping ethical bioprinting practices. By representing patient interests and voicing concerns, these organizations help ensure that new technologies address real needs and respect individual rights. Their involvement strengthens the ethical foundation of bioprinting. Clear and honest communication about bioprinting is essential for ethical practice. This includes sharing information about risks, benefits, and uncertainties with patients, the public, and policymakers. Transparent communication builds trust and supports informed decision-making. Ethical leadership is crucial for guiding the development and application of bioprinting. Leaders in science, medicine, and policy must set high ethical standards, model responsible behavior, and inspire others to prioritize the public good. Their example shapes the future of bioprinting. Let's recap the key ethical considerations in bioprinting. From consent and ownership to access, safety, and social justice, each issue requires thoughtful analysis and ongoing dialogue. By addressing these challenges, we can harness the power of bioprinting to improve lives while upholding our highest ethical values. As we look to the future, the ethical landscape of bioprinting will continue to evolve. Ongoing research, public engagement, and strong ethical frameworks are essential for guiding this powerful technology. By working together, we can ensure that bioprinting fulfills its promise in a way that benefits everyone and respects our shared values.